Hey, what's up, guys? So I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. It's been a while. Let me tell you the story. So my server died, okay? And when the server died, I had backups, right? But I didn't really have redundancy of my services and my VMs. So what I did is I started rebuilding my environment, but I thought about it. I said, you know what? I'm going to do this right. So I started learning about Ansible, and then I wanted to convert a lot of my services into containers, and I wanted to convert a lot of my applications to and make it more portable. So I started learning about Docker Swarm, and then I wanted the storage replicated across multiple servers. So I wanted that data that if one server dies, I can easily within the Docker Swarm leverage that same storage, and it just comes back up within a minute. So that is going to be a shared file server using CephFS or GlusterFS. And then I started learning about a little bit about Kubernetes. And yeah, so because my server died, I went into this sort of learning mode where I try to prevent any distractions and really just focus. And now I came out with all this knowledge that I'm going to share you because it's pretty awesome. I literally can wipe my server environment and start off with 3 Ubuntu machines, and then with Ansible, have it provision the machines automatically, set up the shared file storage, start setting up the Docker Swarm, start loading the Docker services, and it's up and running with a auto scaling load balancer. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. So this is sort of something I do at my house, and yeah, it also has I have 2 PFSense firewalls that for redundancy. So if one firewall dies, the other one will take over the connection. Again, I apologize, but you're just going to benefit from it because I'm going to share all my knowledge with you, and hopefully you can build something like this as well in your home or your lab. Yeah, so stay tuned for some Ansible, Docker Swarm, maybe some Kubernetes, and how you can automate and orchestrate your infrastructure and even leverage Azure services or AWS as well. Because once you know Ansible and Docker Swarm, it's pretty awesome. I'll tell you right now, it's pretty awesome. You know, and yeah, so stay tuned and thank you.